Hello students, welcome to today's lesson on savanna or tropical grasslands. In this lesson, we are going to study characteristics, location, climatic factors, and types of fauna and flora that are adapted in this biome. Savanna or tropical grasslands are one of the terrestrial biomes, which are rolling grasslands with scattered shrubs and clusters of isolated trees. That means shrubs and isolated trees form patch distribution throughout the grasslands. Since savanna or tropical grasslands are found at the edge of tropical rainforests or tropics, there is warm temperature here year-round. Even though these are found at the edge of tropics, there is no enough rain year-round to support full forests like tropical rainforest and temperate forests. Savanna or tropical grasslands are found between tropical rainforest and deserts. Savanna or tropical grasslands found in continents like Africa, South America, and Southern Asia. In Africa, it can be found countries like Tanzania, Zimbabwe, and South Africa. Savanna or tropical grasslands have two seasons, dry or winter season and wet or summer season. In dry or winter season, savanna or tropical grasslands receive averagely about 10 centimeters of rainfall annually, which is low as compared with the amount of rainfall during summer season. In these grasslands during the winter season, the temperature is cooler, which is around 30 degrees Celsius. But in wet or summer season, savanna or tropical grasslands have got a lot of rain and very hot temperature. Vegetation or flora has adaptations to insufficient water and hot temperature in this grassland. Adaptations like have long roots that can reach water deep in the ground and have trunks that can store water for a certain periods of time. Plants drop their leaves during the winter season to conserve their water stores. And trees have thick bark, and this bark make them resistant to annual brush fires. To avoid forest fires that can damage plants or trees in that area or in savanna or tropical grasslands. Grasses in this grassland grow quickly in the wet season when the water is abundant and turn automatically brown in dry season to avoid water loss. And some grasses have a bitter taste to discourage certain animals that graze these grasses. Common plants that dwell or grow in these biomes include wild grasses, shrubs, acacia trees. Animals in these biomes have common adaptations like camouflage coloring and speed. When we see camouflage coloring, both predators and prey use these characteristics to survive in these habitats or biomes. For example, if we see prey, they use this camouflage coloring to deceive or trick their predators. That means to avoid their predators and to save themselves. Whereas predators use this camouflage coloring to catch their prey easily by blending itself with the environment. In case of speed, some prey are fast enough to escape from their predators, and in contrast, some predators like leopards are fast enough to catch their prey easily. Most of the animals that live in these habitats or biomes include lions, giraffes, elephants, zebras, cheetahs, baboons, snakes, ostriches, and insects.